Hey, how's it going guys? Saad here. At the very start of this course, I mentioned that Emscripten bundles with Node as it's include a built-in development server. We've yet to see that functionality in action. So let's take a quick look at a run. So do you want to use it for some rapid WebAssembly development? I'll get rid all of this JavaScript back to string.c, which we will use an example. I'll simplify this also. Just leave main, recompile string.h without any exports to have only main exported and called automatically. That's done. So let's see our current demo page and index.html using Emrun. Emrun gets exported as its own tool as just like emcc. Type Emrun help of this flag with which to use with Emrun. I'll launch index.html by calling Emrun on port 8888. We can also specify the host, but localhost is the default with no browser, meaning don't launch this automatically on the file we want to serve public / index.html. Enter. Open localhost 8888. We get index.html as before with our main function called and log into console. So pretty straightforward. Close this up and back to the terminal where we notice that index.html page you're serving is not run capable, meaning it wasn't compiled as an Emrun project wanted. So let's see how to do this build it command as before. But this time compile this module with Emrun flag and output pointing to index.html, meaning the compile this module and its JavaScript file for use with Emrun on index.html. All done. Launch index.html on port localhost 8888. Again, over to the browser. And this time we get the familiar Emscripten development environment with log messages being outputted in both the page itself and the dev tools and even the terminal where the server process is running. As simple bit often useful bit of functionality for quickly testing or developing a WebAssembly module. In the next tutorial, I will make a benchmark for JavaScript and WebAssembly to run and check who is the faster. So see you guys then.